Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. So again, I'm playing in my craft journal and I am using some of the new products from Dina Wakley's October release. I've only got some of them, but as you can see, I've done quite a lot of journal pages using the few that I've got. There are still so many more possibilities. So I'm starting off by just laying down some scribble stick on the page, pressing on really hard, so there's quite a lot of pigment on the page. And then I'm just getting some white acrylic paint, and I am going to start using the paint to activate the scribble sticks. So it will make a more pastel shade, but it's a really nice way to use the scribble sticks. I am washing my brush in between. You can see I'm drying it out on that bit of kitchen roll at the side, just because I didn't want the water to water down the pigment too much. I wanted the paint to kind of be the thing that activated it. So I've scribbled them across the page vertically rather than horizontally this time, and I've left a bit of craft space at the top and bottom of the page. So one side activated all those colours. You can see that makes a really pretty pastel rainbow. It's really nice, I like it. Then I decided I would add some stenciling over the top, and this stencil, bear with me, is called Fence, and that is one of the new ones from Dina's October release. This is some text, a collage paper from the text collage pack. I'm just adding some bits of that on as a little bit of interest onto the background. So then this is one of the silhouette chipboard shapes, which was also from the October release, and here I'm using the circles for painting stencil, and I'm going to, this was quite tricky to keep these both in place, so I'm using the silhouette as a mask and holding that in place, and then I'm holding also the stencil in place and stenciling round so that the black is contained in a circle shape with the silhouette in the middle. You will see. There we go. Okay, so once that was done, I then just messed up some of those edges a little bit with a bit of the paint that was left. And then because the black seemed a bit stark in the middle, I decided I would add some black stenciling onto the page as well. Then some more bits of collage paper. Now these were just lying on my desk, and I just thought I'll just stick a few bits of those on. And it works quite well to kind of push some of that background away a little bit. Not the background, sorry, the black, dearie me. Yeah, I just don't really seem to know when to stop, do I, sometimes? More and more pieces, but actually it works okay. And then I did a few black splatters as well. So I just watered down the black paint to do that and used that fan brush. And then I'm using this white Signo Uniball. I still at this point hadn't replaced them, so they were being a bit temperamental, and added a few dots as well. And then I was just working out where my words were going to go. So this page, although I was using Dina's new stuff, was also kind of things that I had in my mind. We'd just had some sad news about a family friend who had sadly passed away, and it kind of, when that kind of thing happens, it does make you remember, doesn't it, that tomorrow isn't promised and you've got to make the most of every day. It just can't but help make you a little bit reflective about life, really. So that was kind of what was in my mind when I was doing this page. So there it is, there's the finished page with a flash of colour behind, using the silhouette as a mask. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.